This is the third one. And
Really,
if we
probably a lot of retail that's opening their eyes this morning, peeking open at six o'clock in the morning on the East Coast, and going, "Oh shit, it's at 8 and quickly, instantly hitting a sell button.
all right, I have another sell signal on KuCoin popped up here as well in the short time frame. This could be like, keep watching these, waiting for the one that wicks down. Like if it wicks down this far, then probably yeah, that's the sell signal. So I'll leave this line here. If we wick below this 90 degrees, we wick below this 90 degrees, probably a sign that we're gonna have a small reversal.
But again, this could be one of those trick mornings where everybody wakes up, they think that, oh man, I'm going to sell out right here, 8, almost 9 cents, might as well get out.
It
They
barely
sell it,
happens. It
and
barely
then
happens.
spiking back up even a little higher, and then it scares more people to jump back in. Oh, I'm going to do it before it gets to 10 cents. So then they sold at 8, but then they jump in at 9, and then it just plummet.
Well, here's the
Just
thing. Here's the
it,
thing. Bitcoin didn't run. So even if they take profits here and buy Bitcoin, they feel like they won more Satoshis. Anybody that takes profit on their Bitcoin earlier when it ran up 25k, bought 24k, they gain more Satoshis. Anybody that takes profit on Doge after it runs up 15%, sells it and buy Bitcoin, they win more Satoshis, 15% more Satoshis. So I
that's
told,
what you.
yeah,
That's what you're. Yeah.
the goal is to gain more Satoshis. The goal is to gain more Bitcoin over time. But if this predicts this 90 degrees, this could be the downturn for Doge as market opens. And I'm trying to watch this Doge. I'm watching Matic as well. Matic finally parabolic uptrend on the 1 minute during this scenario. Bitcoin sideways, Ethereum sideways. But if this goes through, then we'll see Doge do a little bit of a bigger dip. Look, I'm already looking at the volume down here. This is a tell sign right here. After I drew the first block, usually you'll find that after this, you'll see the price lower. And right here, once we wick lower than this candle, once we wick lower right here, then it's a sell. It's a sell signal. People are gonna start taking profits. I'm already seeing the sell pressure build up here for Doge, and it's possible we touch this line, wick up a little bit higher before even coming down. Sell signal's been here on KuCoin though for Doge.
Don't you kind of think if tonight around 2 o'clock, 2:30, he would have normally done his text if he really wanted to spike up, if he wanted to drive it up.
No,
Since I think he's still waiting to buy in at a little lower price and up here.
it might be waiting. Matic is getting buy signal while Doge is dipping right here though, so my Matic position is actually in a good spot. And ETH is parallel uptrending. Bitcoin still around this
Has Matic
$24,000
been?
support.
How long has Matic been out for?
Matic's been out for a while. It's layer 2 blockchain on Ethereum. If we look at the weekly chart for Matic, it's also looking very bullish on the weekly. Matic outperformed Ethereum on the chart for this last year though, when it ran up to like $2.70, came back down. After the low down here, it had a partnership with Disney, which sent it to 48 cents and then started climbing from there as the market went bullish for Matic. Oh yeah, Matic's getting a nice wick up here. Matic is getting a nice wick up here as we get closer to liquidating all these shorts. And while this is happening, Bitcoin is still moving sideways. Ethereum's trying to come up a little bit. And Doge is fulfilling this block of coming down. We're double bottom here on the short time frame, 3 minutes. Could be a little bit bullish on the short term, send us up. But I think overall, as market opens, we'll see Doge at a cheaper price than 8.75. Look at Doge bleeding through here. Here we come. Here we come. Doge is finally bleeding under. It wicked under right there. And as it did that, Matic's making its way up. Bitcoin's also wicking down even further. Alright, sell signal finally popped in, 3 minutes for Doge. All right, been waiting all night for this. I mapped it out right before it happened as well. You're welcome, YouTube. Hit that like button.
You gonna go in a short from your team?
I never short Doge.
But if you're out of your other trade and you're waiting for this high point, what are you doing?
Never short Doge.
So you're just waiting to see its high point and not make a move? Just curious, just curious. A lot of us retail traders only can sell and we can't short things too. So that's what everybody's really hesitant to get out of a market and back into a market with is when you only have one direction to trade in.
1 second. I'm trying to put this chart on Discord and ping everybody. This has been waiting. Alright, I'm just trying to tag everybody in this. And here we go. I'm going to put it on Twitter as well. So I mapped out the possible downtrend. Now I have the sell signal. Beautiful. Alright. So I mapped it out perfectly for you guys. Subscribe if you like to see more content like this. And I'm long in Matic right now, Joe. That's what I was doing, long in Matic. I was expecting Doge to downtrend. And Matic has a block up here that it could liquidate some positions. But yeah, guys, I drew this out perfectly for you. I've been trading Doge for a long time. I helped people in my Discord get out of Doge the day before Saturday Night Live. So, been trading Doge for a long time. It's not exactly rocket science, but if you do play back the stream, I map out this for you. I was able to map out this dip.